Thanks for joining us again. On today's episode, we're making garlic butter steak bikes. They are fantastic. So first we need to gather all of our ingredients. For this recipe, you're going to need a pound of steak. We're using steak scraps, but you can use ribeye or skirt steak, sirloin, whatever you have in your freezer. Then you need a heaping tablespoon of minced garlic, about a tablespoon of chopped parsley, 3 tablespoons of butter, 1 tablespoon of olive oil. You're going to need a knife, a pan, and then salt and pepper to taste.
Alright, so for this step, you're going to want to go ahead and chop your steak scraps into about a 1-inch cubes. Luckily, ours are already kind of pre-chopped from breaking down other meats and stuff. Once you've chopped them, you're going to want to go ahead and add them to a bowl for later use.
Alright, now we're going to go ahead and chop up our parsley. Make sure you change your cutting board. Somebody came to help.
So let's go ahead and get our pan preheating. I recommend about medium-high. And then you're ready. Alright, so once your pan's preheated, you're going to want to go ahead and add the oil and 1 tablespoon of butter. You're going to go ahead and let that melt down. Once that is fully melted, you're going to want to go ahead and add your steak scraps. Alright, so you're going to want to kind of evenly distribute these all around. You're going to want to kind of cook them to about medium, about a minute and a half to 2 minutes on each side. Alright, so after it's been about a minute and a half, we're going to go ahead and flip these bad boys. You're going to want like a little bit of color on them. Try to get like a decent sear without overcooking them. Alright, you're going to want to go ahead and let those cook for about another minute and a half or so.
Okay, so now you're going to want to go ahead and turn it down to medium-low. And then we're going to add our butter and our garlic.
Go ahead and like fully melt the butter and the garlic. The goal is to kind of get it to be like a little fragrant. You're going to cook it for about 2 minutes or so until the garlic has been fully cooked. Alright, so once this is finished cooking about 2 minutes, you're going to want to go ahead and turn off the heat. And you're going to want to transfer all this into a plate or a bowl, whatever you prefer. Try to leave some of the juices in the pan though. Okay, so once you do that, you're going to want to go ahead and sprinkle the parsley over the top of it. Alright, so now you're going to want to go ahead and add some salt and pepper to it. Just to whatever your preference is works. Alright, so once you've went ahead and added the salt and pepper, you're going to want to go ahead and toss that a little bit. Alright, and you're ready to eat.
Don't forget to like and subscribe. If there's anything you want to see us make, let us know in the comments. Now, it's time to try it.
These are really good. You definitely have to try them.